Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Sapneil Parikh, and I'm from Sapneil Tutoring Incorporated. Thank you so much for visiting our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the new enhanced ACT that starts in April of 2025 versus the current digital SAT 2025. As of February 2025, significant changes are underway for both the SAT and SAT standardized test. This article will provide a comprehensive overview of the enhanced ACT and the current digital SAT, highlighting the formats, content, and key differences. So first, without further ado, let's get started with the enhanced ACT. The format and strategy. Starting in April 2025, it will be available in online format, with the paper and pencil version adopting the new format in September 2025. The test will be shorter, focusing on three core sections, not four, and those are English, math, and reading. There's an optional science section. The science section will become optional. Students can choose to include it in their overall score, but they're not required to take it anymore. Scoring changes. The composite score will now be an average of the English, math, and reading. If the student opts to take the science, the score will be reported separately and not factored into the composite score. Availability. The enhanced ACT will be offered online starting in April 2025, with the updated paper version available till September 2025. Now, the digital SAT. It was implemented in 2024. The format and timing, it's about 2 hours. It's adaptive testing. The content structure covers reading and writing, the first section with 2 modules, followed by a break, and then you have the mathematics section or quant section, and that's also 2 modules. Everything is adaptive. Scoring, it's scored out of 400 to 1600, same as prior, but remember, this is an adaptive test and it changes in terms of level of difficulty between one module and another. The key differences between the enhanced ACT and the digital SAT are the following. The test format, ACT will continue to offer paper and pencil until September 2025, and the SAT is fully digital now. Section composition, the enhanced ACT has English, math, and reading with an optional science, and the digital SAT only has reading and writing and math, no science. Adaptive testing on the digital SAT, in contrast, the ACT does not have adaptive testing. The scoring methodology, ACT is still reported out of a 36 and the SAT is reported out of a 1600. Students are encouraged to consult the official ACT and SAT boards to determine which test would be best for them. We also offer what's called an SAT versus ACT cognitive test that can really determine a student's performance on either test and give you a correlated score as to which test you should take first or if you can take both tests at the same time. My name is Dr. Sapneil Parikh, and for the past 14 years, my team and I have helped over 10,000 students in the areas of test prep, academic tutoring, cognitive testing, psych ed evaluations, college advising, and so much more. If you'd like to learn more about how you can best prepare for the enhanced ACT or digital SAT, please don't hesitate to contact us at the number or email below, and we'd be more than happy to help you navigate this process. We hope to help you achieve your academic goals, and we thank you very much.